Have you ever wondered how Python handles text like name, passwords, messages, and even emojis? That's where strings come. In today's video, we will learn everything about the strings in Python in a super easy way with practical examples. By the end of this video, you will know what strings are, how to create them, how to slice them, string indexing, useful string method, and some cool trick for the beginner. So let's start. Let's create a string first. So create a string, and now I have created a string hello world with a variable my string. And when you going to print this my string here and run from here, you will have hello world, and you can see the strings within the double quotes. You can also define a string with a single quote like this, and now you're gonna run from here, you have the same result. So a string can be inside the double quotes or the single quote. Now again create a string with the double quote. What I have shown you earlier, let's run it, you have the same results. Either you can define a string inside a single quote or double quote, both are the same. But there are some other strings also, like I'm going to define the string within the triple quote like this, hello world here, and now I'm going to print, you have the same result. So within a single quote, within a double quote, or within a triple quote, if you have multi-line of text, then you can use triple quote. Again triple double quote. Now you can see this is the double quote but 3 times from the beginning and at the end. Now you are going to print this one, you have the same result. That means string can be defined within a single quote, within a double quote, within triple single quote, and within double triple quote. So you have seen how to create a text in Python or strings in Python like this. So everywhere you can find a single quote or double quote, but here you have 4 types to create a string in Python. Now let's move ahead for the slicing of the string, how to slice the strings from a given string. So here I'm going to write slicing. Now I have a string hello world here, but what I want slice string from 0 to 4. What 0 to 4 means? 0 to 4 is the index number of the text. Like H is at 0, E at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Now I want 0 to 4 to be displayed here, and going to print this one, you will have the answer hello. That means hello is 0 to 5, and last 5, that means start from 0 and pick 5 characters. HELLO, these are the 5 characters, starts from 0 from H. So that's why we have a hello here. Now I want to clear this terminal first. Now you can clear by using this. In Windows you can write just CLS and press enter, you will have the same operation. With the other, now what I want the text from the hello world to be sliced from index 7 to 11 like this, and now I'm going to print here, you will have the word, because word is start from 7 and till 11. Now again I want to have some 0 to the end, slicing the text from 0 to the end. Then you have to write within the square bracket 0 and then colon. Colon, that means till end. Now you can run it here and you have the hello world. That means we have printed all text. So start from H up until exclamation sign. Now there are another method. What I want start from 7 to the end. Then you can use like this. Start 7 and to the end. That means first number should be your start number and the next number should be your end number. From where to start and to where till go. Now let's run this. We will have word because I have started from 7 until last. Now clear this one terminal. So these are the slicing of the text method. Now what I want the third method to be used, modifying this string. Now I have a string hello world, and now what I want hello to be replaced by hi. Then I have to use replace method. Hello to be replaced by hi like this, and you going to print it here. You have hi word. That means hello is replaced by hi and word. Now I want to have all commented out so that we have only this one answer. Now you can run. Now you have hi word. Just clear the terminal. Now again run it. You have hi word. This is the first method of replacing. Now converting the string, whatever string hello world we have, into the upper cases. Every character should be in upper cases. Then you have to use dot upper is the method or the function, you can say this, and now you can run. Now you have hello and word, all are in upper cases. Again, next convert to a lower cases, then you have to use as a lower in place where we had upper, and now you have lower cases. Now let's run. We have lowercase. Now the next method is split string into a list. So what we have to do? We have to use split within a comma. That means hello would be a single, word would be a single. Now let's run this. We have hello and word separate within a list. This way you can use multiple strings method in Python. You can also join into a string like this. Now print this one. Now you have hello world. Now again what I want to format string. Now I have Alice and I have Alice is a 30. Now first format method using the f string, and I have written there like f 10 string. My name is within a placeholder. What I pick this name variable here, and I am age from this variable here years old. So and now I'm going to print. Just clear this one first, and now I'm going to print here. We have my name is Alice and I am 30 years old. That means we have two placeholder here, two placeholder with the variable what we have defined. First is the name and other is the age. Now the next formatting method is just place the placeholder. In first we have placeholder with variable, but here we have blank placeholder. Since we have two variables here, so I have given two placeholder. But at the end we have a format like this, and then I'm going to print it here. In this way, in case you have blank placeholder for all the variables what you have defined here, then you have to give the format, and within the round bracket you have to define the first variable and the second variable here. If you want to see like this. and then you go to print it here. Now you have my name is Ellis and I am 30 years old. Same thing. The format method with the name placeholder. Now I have created like this, and here I have given like, and now I'm going some like this. So first variable I have taken here, second variable I have taken here, and then format name equal what should we pick from here. The name equal name and age equal age, and now you going to print it here. You have the same answer. So these are the way of formatting your strings in Python. Now I'm going to use the next string concatenation. That means we have first string hello and the second string is word, and now using the plus sign to concatenate these two strings in a single variable like this. And now I'm going to print it here. First clear this one and then again comment it so that we have everything in fresh. And now we have hello world, a single text, hello world as a single text. Here we have two separate texts, but by concatenation we have string 1 and string 2 with the plus sign, meaning we are going to add two strings, separate string into one like this. Now using the join method to concatenate the same process what we did with the concatenation, I'm going to join method to be used here to have the same result. So dot join with a blank and then string 1 this one and then string 2 this one. Now you're going to print here. Now you have the same hello world. So this way you can format your string and join your string. Now I want to show you the escaping character. This is very important. How to define a text if you have a double quotes text, and in within the paragraph you have, if you have a single quotes text, then how to display this one. So like I have a string is a nice day, because both sides we have a single quote, and now I'm going and I want to have this one. So in this way I have to use a slash. Now I'm going to print this one. Now we have it's a nice day. If I will not have this one, you can see this looks like error. If I run this one, this will have an, but because I have written both sides a double quote. But in case you have a single quote here, in case you have a single quote here, then you have error. Then you have to use this one. And then you run, you have the answer. Now the second method using the backslash with the double quotation. Like we have text, she said hello. And here what I want hello should be displayed within the double quotation. So I have to use like this, and then I gonna run here, she said hello. The next example is we have a single quote with a backslash. Now what I want to we have a backslashes here. Now I'm going to print here we have single backslash. Again, now few string methods. I want to show you some cool string methods like what we have string hello world, and now I want to use the length. That means how many characters that text is made of. So you are going to use a length, and now just clear this one and comment it, and now run it. You have 13 characters, because if you're gonna count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this way you can count the length of the text. Now using the count method. So what I'm doing here, using the count method, I'm going to count O in this text. You know there are two O, 1 and 2. And now let's run this. We have 2. So this way you can use few methods of strings in Python. So today we learned what strings are, indexing, slicing, strings method, f string, escaping characters. Practice this example yourself because strings are used in Python everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe this channel and comment your favorite Python topic, and we'll see you in the next video.